Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the add phone number option missing in Roblox. Now this is very quick and easy to fix, so make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you actually want to do is just head over to the Roblox website and just make sure you are logged into your account. Now to actually find where your phone number is and to see if the option is missing or not, you want to just go in the top right corner where this cog is. And then from there, just click settings. Now you'll be taken to this page here. And as you can see, I do have the option to add my phone number. It did used to be that you used to put in your phone number in order to actually verify your account. But they have since changed it and you are able to verify your account with an email now. As you can see, mine says verified next to my email. So basically it doesn't actually matter if the phone number option is missing in Roblox, since it is no longer needed in order to verify our accounts. Now, something we could do if we wanted to verify our account further is to verify our age. So we can actually click on this button where it says our birthday, and you can actually complete an ID verification process and actually verify your age that way. Now, if this video hasn't helped you yet and you do need to find the phone number for whatever reason, what I would suggest to do is just go in the top right corner again, click this cog. But instead of clicking settings, this time we're going to click help. Now from here, we can just click on Roblox account. And then we just want to look for keep your account safe, which is right here. So when we click on that, we can scroll all the way to the bottom. And we just want to look for this bit above the was this article helpful section that says need more help, contact support here. And you just want to fill in this form with your username, first name and email address. And then you also have to fill out this section down here. So you want to choose which device you are actually playing on. And then you want to choose one of these options. And I'd probably suggest to choose something like bug report. And then from here, you can say that you're missing your phone number option and you would like it back for whatever reason. So that is exactly how you can fix the add phone number option missing in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.